The New York Times reports that criminal charges in the U.S. have been dismissed against Blackwater security guards who opened fire on unarmed Iraqi civilians in 2007. Iraqis reacted with disbelief, anger, and bitter resignation to the news. The shooting, which took place on September 16th of 2007 in a crowded central Baghdad traffic circle at Nisour Square, is regarded in Iraq as a signal event of the war. The attack left 17 Iraqis dead and 27 wounded. Many of the victims were riding inside cars or buses at a busy traffic circle when a Blackwater convoy escorting American diplomats rolled through and began firing machine guns, grenade launchers, and a sniper rifle. The Blackwater guards said they believed they had come under small arms fire from insurgents, but investigators concluded that the guards had indiscriminately fired on unarmed civilians in an unprovoked and unjustified assault. The incident calcified anti-American sentiment in Iraq and elsewhere, raised Iraqi concerns about the extent of its sovereignty because Blackwater guards had immunity from local prosecutors, and reopened a debate about American dependence on private security contractors in the Iraq War. Many Iraqis also viewed the prosecution of the guards as a test case of American democratic principles, which have not been wholeheartedly embraced there, and in particular of the fairness of the American judicial system. Judge Ricardo M. Urbina threw out manslaughter and weapons charges against 5 Blackwater guards because he said prosecutors had violated the men's rights by building the case based on sworn statements that had been given by the guards under the promise of immunity. In Iraq, victim Abdul Wahab Abdul Qadar reacted, saying, quote, "What are we, not human? Why do they have the right to kill people? Is our blood so cheap? For America, the land of justice and law, what does it mean to let criminals go?"